Wondering how to make money online? Try these ideas today. Have you ever wondered how people can make money online? Being able to make money by sitting at your computer at home seems too good to be true. However, it is very possible, and there are wonderful opportunities out there. Watch this video to learn more about options that are available to you. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Put your downtime to good use. Some tasks online don't need a lot of mental input. This is true of tiny tasks on a crowdsourcing site like mturk.com, known as Mechanical Turk. Do these while watching TV if you like. Don't expect to break the bank with this technique, but you can make some of your time online pay off instead of being time completely wasted. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Making money online is not that complicated. More and more people are getting into it because it liberates them from a 9-to-5 job. This video offers a few suggestions that you can consider, but more is out there. Continue to learn about opportunities so you can find the perfect business to get into. Student loan.